Welcome back. Identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. They are useful in genetic engineering. This is correct statement. Sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligases. This is also correct statement. Each restriction enzyme functions by inspecting the length of a DNA sequence. This is also correct. They cut the strand of DNA at palindromic sites. Correct. All statements are factually correct. But this question is asking a statement which is incorrect with regard to restriction enzyme. So the only one is this one, option 2. It is talking about DNA ligases. So joining has nothing to do with restriction enzyme. Restriction enzymes are required for cutting the DNA, not for joining DNA. So this statement will be wrong with regard to restriction enzyme. Otherwise the statement is correct. So this is the answer. So let's use this question as an opportunity to revise everything about restriction enzymes. So the first restriction endonuclease is HIND2. This is important. This can be asked in exam. And these are some numbers. 900 restriction enzymes have been isolated from 230 different strains of bacteria. Restriction enzymes are endonucleases. They come in the category of nucleases. Endonucleases, as the name suggests, they break sugar phosphate bond within the DNA strand. Recognize a specific sequence which are palindromic, okay, and these sites are called restriction sites. So once the endonuclease break the sugar phosphate bond, they produce two types of ends, sticky ends or blunt ends. So see, this is the example of EcoR1 restriction enzyme. The recognition site is GAA-TTC. It will break the sugar phosphate bond between guanine and adenosine. So this is how it will generate the overhangs. These overhangs are called sticky ends. So these statements are very important. These are asked in statement-based questions. Restriction enzyme cut the strand of DNA a little away from the center of palindromic sites and produce overhanging stretches which are called sticky ends. So these are 4 different rules regarding nomenclature of restriction enzyme. The first letter represents genus, second 2 letters represent the species, third letter indicates the strain of the organism, and last one, Roman numbers, they indicate the order in which the enzymes were isolated.